Hey guys, Danny here with Danny Murphy & Associates, First Team Real Estate. We're here at our new listing at 8572 Whitesails Circle in Huntington Beach, La Cuesta North Tract. Killer neighborhood, awesome street. We're on a cul-de-sac street, parked just right down there. So if you have kids or pets, it's like a perfect spot to be. Great schools. As you can see, we were in the backyard. We got a great backyard, pool, hot tub. They've redone pretty much everything here at one point or another over the last couple of years. System pavers. You've got a barbecue back here, newer pool equipment, nice pergola. So a really nice entertainer's backyard. We're on sort of day 3 of our open houses here to kind of kick this off, and you'll see a lot of fun stuff we're doing to really promote the home and the neighborhood. Yesterday we did a taco event, so we had lots of potential buyers, but also lots of neighbors that were here. So it's a really nice way for people to get to know the neighborhood and hear people that live here talk about why they love it. So we had a good time. We're doing a lot this weekend here. Nice breeze, as you could hear, which is awesome. They've got dual zoned AC here, but a lot of times you don't need it because there's an awesome breeze coming off of the ocean, so that's killer. We've got our open house board set up, so when you come by, we try to educate people that come through our open houses. So just kind of stats on what's happening in the local market, comps in the neighborhood, why we priced the house the way we priced it. We try to, price things right so that they are at market value and all that. But then statistics, trends, information on schools. This is a neighborhood that has great schools. They're all 9s and 10s. Schools are close by, so a lot of people come here because they want to be in the school district and they want these specific schools. So, but information on what's happening in the market, there's probably a lot of details out there about what's really happening in our local real estate market that aren't accurate, right? So we try to boil it down into the actual statistics and the trends so people are educated on what's actually happening. For example, we typically have about 6,000, 6,500 homes on the market in Orange County right now, and instead, though, we have about 2,400. So that's the reality of it, not a lot of inventory. But I saw something in the news the other day. It said inventory is up 40%, which is probably true because they went from 2,000 homes to 2,400 homes. And so, it was one of those things where that's misleading, though, because normally there's about 6,500 homes. So everything's kind of relative. We try to point that out with our market trends there. But great house, 3 bedrooms downstairs, including a master downstairs, all dual pane windows. They've got a 200 amp electric panel, high ceilings, 2 bathrooms downstairs. So dual master is great if you have an expanded family or want people up and down. There's also 2 bedrooms upstairs, including a huge bonus room. There's a second fireplace upstairs. So really nice space all around the house. Big kitchen, 7 skylights throughout the house. So you'll see lots of natural light. Nice upgraded kitchen. And then we've got a great bonus room with a new master ensuite bathroom up here, which is great. But big spaces, high ceilings, cedar wood ceilings here. You've got 3 skylights in this part of the house. They're using this as a office, but it could be a 5th bedroom with 2 closets in it. As you can see, nice, bright, open. There's dual zoned AC, so you've got AC for upstairs and downstairs as well. And then as we head into the upstairs master suite, we've got this killer bathroom that's been redone. It's like spa-like style, right? You can hang out in here. And then upstairs, again, high ceilings, lots of ceiling fans throughout the house. We're just under 2,900 square feet on the house, a 6,200 square foot lot. We are listed for $1,850,000. Been on the market for about 5 or 6 days. Killer house, come get it for the neighborhood, get it for the summer so you can hang outside and enjoy, get it for the great schools. Whatever the reason is, this is a perfect house and we'd love to sell it to you. So thanks a lot.